students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Today we are going to discuss the continuity of exercise 8.3, recapturing an important notes. First one, probability of E is equal to n of E by n of S. That means number of events divided by total number of sample space. Then the probability of sure event is 1. Then the probability of impossible event is 0. Then P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. Fifth one, at a feat, cards bearing numbers 1 to 1000, one number on one card are put in a box. Each player selects one card at random and that card is not replaced. If the selected card has a perfect square number greater than 500, the player wins a prize. What is the probability that first subdivision, the first player wins a prize? Second one, the second player wins a prize if the first has won. ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சியில் 1 to 1000 நம்பர் பிரிண்ட் பண்ண கார்ட்ஸை ஒரு பாக்ஸில் போட்டு வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஈச் பிளேயர் ஒரு கார்டை செலக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அந்த பிளேயர் வின் பண்ணிட்டாங்கன்னா அந்த கார்டை மறுபடியும் அந்த பாக்ஸில் போட மாட்டாங்க. அப்படி செலக்ட் பண்ணக்கூடிய கார்டு பர்ஃபெக்ட் ஸ்கொயர் நம்பராக இருக்கணும், கிரேட்டர் தென் 500. இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு சப்டிவிஷன். செகண்ட் சப்டிவிஷன், இந்த செகண்ட் பிளேயர் ஒரு வின் பண்ணுறாரு அப்படின்னா ஃபஸ்ட் பிளேயர் வின் பண்ண கார்டை அதில் ஆட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. இப்போ ஒரு கார்டு எடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா ரிமைனிங் கார்ட்ஸை தான் கவுண்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஹியர் டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் கார்ட்ஸ் 1000. Then n of s is equal to 1000. First subdivision, let A be the event of getting perfect square numbers between 500 and 1000. Then A is equal to 23 squared, 24 squared, 25 squared, 26 squared, and so on 31 squared. 23 squared is equal to 529, that is greater than 500. Then 31 squared we get 961, that is less than 1000. Here n of A is equal to 9. Then probability of A is equal to 9 divided by 1000 is the probability for the first player to win a prize. ஃபஸ்ட் பிளேயர் ஏதாவது ஒரு கார்டு எடுத்து வின் பண்ணிட்டாரு, அப்போ அந்த கார்டை இன்சர்ட் பண்ண மாட்டார். ஸோ n of s is equal to 999. Here n of b is equal to 8 because 9 minus 1 8. Therefore p of b is equal to 8 divided by 999. Sixth one, a bag contains 12 blue balls and x red balls. If one ball is drawn at random, first subdivision, what is the probability that it will be a red ball? Second subdivision, if 8 more red balls are put in the bag and if the probability of drawing a red ball will be twice that of the probability in 1, then find x. First one, total number of balls in the bag is equal to x plus 12. That means 12 blue balls plus x red balls, that is n of s. First subdivision, what is the probability that it will be a red ball? So very simple. Let A be the event of getting red balls. Here n of A is equal to x. Then P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of s. We get P of A is equal to x divided by x plus 12. Second subdivision, if 8 more red balls are added in the bag, here n of s1 is equal to x plus 12 plus 8, we get n of s is equal to x plus 20. Then p of b is equal to n of b divided by n of s. Then p of b is equal to x plus 8 divided by x plus 20. Given p of b is equal to 2 into p of a, that is the probability of drawing a red ball will be twice that of the probability in 1. Then x plus 8 divided by x plus 20 is equal to 2 into x divided by x plus 12. Then x plus 8 divided by x plus 20 is equal to 2x divided by x plus 12. X plus 12 shift to left hand side and x plus 20 shift to right hand side. We get x plus 8 into x plus 12 is equal to 2x into x plus 20. Here x into x, x squared, then x into 12, 12x, then 8 into x, 8x plus 8 12s are 96 is equal to 2 into x into 2x, 2x squared plus 20 into 2x, 40x. Here x squared plus 20x plus 96 is equal to 2x squared plus 40x. Then x squared plus 20x plus 96 shift to right hand side. Then 2x squared minus x squared plus 40x minus 20x minus 96. After simplifying, we get x squared plus 20x minus 96 is equal to 0. Here factorize the quadratic equation. We get x plus 24 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x plus 24 is equal to 0. Then x minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 24 is equal to 0. Here 24 shift to right hand side minus 24. Then minus 4 shift to right hand side plus 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 24 comma 4. Then x cannot be negative. Negative value varadu. So x is equal to 4. Therefore p of a is equal to x divided by x plus 12. Then p of a is equal to 4 divided by 4 plus 12. P of a is equal to 4 divided by 16. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. Therefore p of a is equal to 1 divided by 4. Seventh one, 2 unbiased dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting first subdivision a doublet, equal number on the both dice. Second subdivision, the product as a prime number. Third subdivision, the sum as a prime number. Fourth one, the sum as 1. If one die is rolled once, we get 6 sample space. Here 2 unbiased dice are rolled once. Then we get 36 sample space. That is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 going on 6 comma 6. Therefore n of s is equal to 36. Solution: sample space S is equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6 going on 6 comma 6. Therefore n of s is equal to 36. First subdivision, a doublet. Let A be the event of getting a doublet. Doublet means ரெண்டு டைஸ்லையும் சேம் நம்பர் இருக்கணும். ஸோ the event A is equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Here n of a is equal to 6. Therefore P of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s. That is 6 divided by 36. Here cancelling 6th table. 1 6 is 6. 6 6 are 36. Therefore P of a is equal to 1 divided by 6. Second one, let B be the event of getting the product as a prime number. That means first டைல இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்பரையும் செகண்ட் டைல இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்பரையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் நமக்கு prime number வரணும். We know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 going on. Here the event B is equal to 1 comma 2, then 1 into 2, 2, that is prime number. Then 1 comma 3, 1 into 3, that is also prime number. And also 1 comma 5, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 5 comma 1, that's all. Therefore n of B is equal to 6. Here P of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. That is equal to 6 divided by 36. Here also cancelling 6th table. 1 6 is 6. 6 6 are 36. Therefore P of B is equal to 1 divided by 6. Third subdivision. Let C be the event of getting the sum of numbers on the dice is prime. ஸோ இங்கே என்ன செய்யணும்னா ஃபஸ்ட் டையில் இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்பரையும் செகண்ட் டையில் இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்பரையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு ப்ரைம் நம்பர் வரணும். த ஈவன் C is equal to 1 comma 1. The sum of the numbers we get 2. That is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 comma 2 we get 3. That also prime number. 1 plus 4 5. That is prime number. 2 comma 1, then 2 plus 1 3, that is prime number, and so on. 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 1, and 6 comma 5. Here n of C is equal to 14. Therefore P of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. Therefore P of C is equal to 7 divided by 36. Fourth subdivision. The sum is 1. Let D be the event of getting sum of the numbers is 1. Here n of D is equal to 0. Then P of D is equal to n of D divided by n of S. Then 0 divided by 36 we get 0. Therefore P of D is equal to 0. Sample space la 2 numbers add பண்ணா 0 வரதுங்கிறது impossible. Eighth one, 3 fair coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting first subdivision all heads. Second one, at least one tail. Third one, at most one head. Fourth one, at most two tails. Solution. When 3 fair coins are tossed, we get the total number of sample space is 8. Here sample space S is equal to head, head, head. That means first coin liu head, second coin liu head, third coin liu head below. Then head head tail, then head tail head, comma head tail tail, comma tail head head, comma tail head tail, tail tail head, comma tail tail tail. Here n of S is equal to 8. First subdivision, all heads. Let A be the event of getting all heads. அதாவது 3 காயின்ஸ்லையும் ஹெட் இருக்கணும். தென் த ஈவெண்ட் A is equal to head head head. Here n of A is equal to 1. P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. Therefore, P of A is equal to 1 divided by 8. Second subdivision, let B be the event of getting at least one tail. குறைஞ்சபட்சம் ஒரு டெய்லாவது இருக்கணும், மேக்ஸிமம் 3 tails கூட இருக்கலாம். Here the event B is equal to head tail. இதில் ஒரு tail இருக்கு. And also head tail head, head tail tail. இங்கே 2 tails இருக்கு, அட்லீஸ்ட் 1 head. ஸோ மினிமம் ஒரு head இருக்கு, மேக்ஸிமம் எவ்வளோ வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். தென் tail head head, tail head tail, tail tail head, tail tail tail. Then n of B is equal to 7. P of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. Therefore, P of B is equal to 7 divided by 8. Third subdivision, at most one head. அப்படின்னா அதிகபட்சமாகவே ஒரே ஒரு ஹெட் தான் இருக்கணும். Let C be the event of getting at most one head. The event C is equal to head tail tail, tail head tail, tail tail head, tail tail tail. Here n of C is equal to 4. P of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. Then 4 divided by 8. Here cancelling fourth table. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, P of C is equal to 1 divided by 2. Fourth subdivision, at most 2 tails. அப்படின்னா அதிகபட்சமாகவே 2 tails தான் இருக்கணும், 3 tails இருக்கக்கூடாது. tail இல்லாமல் கூட இருக்கலாம். The event D is equal to head head head, head head tail, head tail tail, head tail head, tail head head, tail head tail, tail tail head. Here n of D is equal to 7. P of D is equal to 7 divided by 8. That's all. Ninth one, 2 dice are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 respectively. They are rolled and the sum of the numbers on them is noted. Find the probability of getting each sum from 2 to 9 separately. இங்கே very important. ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைஸில் நம்பர் நோ ப்ராப்ளம் ஆர்டராக இருக்குது. செகண்ட் டையில் நம்பர் பார்த்திங்கன்னா 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3ன்னு இருக்குது. ஸோ சாம்பிள் ஸ்பேஸ் இங்கேயும் 36 தான், அதை கொஞ்சம் நம்ம கவனமாக எழுதணும். Here sample space S is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. ரெண்டாவதும் 1, 1 தான் வரும். Then 1, 2 and also 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 3. Same concept, 2, 1 and 2, 1. Then 2, 2 and 2, 2. Then 2, 3, 2, 3. And also 6, 3, 6, 3. Therefore, n of S is equal to 36. First subdivision, let A be the event of getting sum of 2. The event A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, n of A is equal to 2. Here P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. That is equal to 2 divided by 36. Here cancelling 2 table. 1, 2 is 2. 18 2s are 36. We get P of A is equal to 1 divided by 18. Second subdivision, let B be the event of getting the sum of 3. The event B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 1. Here n of B is equal to 4. Then P of B is equal to 4 divided by 36. Here cancelling fourth table. 1 4 is 4, 9 4s are 36. Therefore, P of B is equal to 1 divided by 9. Third subdivision, let C be the event of getting the sum of 4. Here C is equal to 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1. Then n of C is equal to 6. Then P of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S, that is equal to 6 divided by 36. Then 1 6 is 6, 6 6 are 36. Therefore, P of C is equal to 1 divided by 6. Then fourth subdivision, let D be the event of getting the sum of 5. The event D is equal to 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1 and 4, 1. Here n of D is equal to 6. Then P of D is equal to n of D divided by n of S, that is equal to 6 divided by 36. 1 6 is 6, 6 6 are 36. Therefore, P of D is equal to 1 divided by 6. Fifth subdivision, let E be the event of getting the sum of 6. The event E is equal to 3, 3. That is 3 plus 3, we get 6. And also 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 1 and 5, 1. Here n of E is equal to 6. Then P of E is equal to 6 divided by 36, that is equal to 1 divided by 6. Then sixth subdivision, let F be the event of getting the sum of 7. The event F is equal to 4, 3, then 4 plus 3, 7, and also 4, 3, then 4 plus 3, 7, and also 5, 2, 5, 2, 6, 1 and 6, 1. Here also n of S is equal to 6. Then P of F is equal to 6 divided by 36, that is equal to 1 divided by 6. Here also cancelling sixth table. Seventh subdivision, let G be the event of getting the sum of 8. The event G is equal to 5, 3, then 5 plus 3, 8, and also 5, 3, 6, 2 and 6, 2. Here n of G is equal to 4. Then P of G is equal to n of G divided by n of S, that is equal to 4 divided by 36. Then 1 4 is 4, 9 4s are 36. Therefore, P of G is equal to 1 divided by 9. And the eighth subdivision, let H be the event of getting the sum of 9. The event H is equal to 6, 3, then 6 plus 3, 9, and also 6, 3. Here n of H is equal to 2. Then P of H is equal to n of H divided by n of S, that is equal to 2 divided by 36. Here cancelling 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 18 2s are 36. Therefore, P of H is equal to 1 divided by 18. That's all. 10th one, a bag contains 5 red balls, 6 white balls, 7 green balls, 8 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the ball drawn is first subdivision white, second subdivision black or red, third subdivision not white, fourth subdivision neither white nor black. Solution, sample space S is equal to 5 red, 6 white, 7 green, 8 black. Then total number of sample space is equal to 26, that is n of S. First subdivision, let A be the event of drawn ball is white. Here n of A is equal to 6, that is 6 white balls. Then P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S, that is equal to 6 divided by 26. Here cancelling 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 13 2s are 26. Therefore P of A is equal to 3 divided by 13. Second subdivision, let B be the event of drawn ball is black or red. Here n of B is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Then 5 red balls and 8 green balls, that is n of B. Therefore P of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. Here cancelling 13th table, 1 13 is 13, 2 13s are 26. Therefore P of B is equal to 1 divided by 2. Then third subdivision, let C be the event of drawn ball is not white. Then n of C is equal to 20. Here number of white balls is 6. Then not white, so n of C is equal to 26 minus 6, we get 20, that is n of C. Therefore P of C is equal to 20 divided by 26. Then here cancelling 2 table, 10 2s are 20, 13 2s are 26. Therefore P of C is equal to 10 divided by 13. Fourth subdivision, let D be the event of drawn ball is neither white nor black. Neither white nor black அப்படின்னா white பாலாகவும் இருக்கக்கூடாது black பாலாகவும் இருக்கக்கூடாது. Here number of white balls is 6 and number of black ball is 8. Therefore number of white and black ball is 14. Then n of D is equal to 26 minus 14 is equal to 12, that is n of D. Here P of D is equal to n of D divided by n of S, that is equal to 12 divided by 26. Here cancelling 2 table, 6 2s are 12, 13 2s are 26. Therefore P of D is equal to 6 divided by 13. 11th one, in a box there are 20 non-defective and some defective bulbs. If the probability that a bulb selected at random from the box found to be defective is 3 divided by 8, then find the number of defective bulbs. அதாவது டிஃபெக்டிவ்னா குறைபாடு உடையது, நான் டிஃபெக்டிவ்னா குறைபாடு இல்லாத பல்புன்னு சொல்லுவோம். சொல்யூஷன், லெட் எக்ஸ் பி த நம்பர் ஆஃப் டிஃபெக்டிவ் பல்ப்ஸ். Then n of S is equal to x plus 20. ஏன்னா 20 non-defectivesum and some defective bulbsங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ சம் டிஃபெக்டிவ் பல்ப்ஸ்னால் டிஃபெக்டிவில் எவ்வளோ பல்ப்ஸ்ன்னு நமக்கு தெரியாது. ஸோ எக்ஸுங்கிறத டிஃபெக்டிவ் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டிஃபெக்டிவ் பல்ப்ஸாக எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Therefore n of S is equal to x plus 20. Let A be the event of selecting defective bulbs அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Therefore n of A is equal to x. Then P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S, that is equal to x divided by x plus 20. Given P of A is equal to 3 divided by 8, then x divided by x plus 20 is equal to 3 divided by 8. Since P of A is equal to x divided by x plus 20, then 8 shift to left hand side and x plus 20 shift to right hand side. We get 8x is equal to 3 into x plus 20. Then 8x is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 20, 60. Then 3x shift to left hand side, we get 8x minus 3x is equal to 60. Then 8 minus 3, 5. Then 5x is equal to 60. 5 shift to right hand side, we get x is equal to 60 divided by 5. Then 1 5 is 5, 12 5s are 60. Therefore, x is equal to 12. Therefore, number of defective bulbs is equal to 12.